Now, welcome to day 16. Here we are going to see the usage of used to. Used to. We can see how we are using this used to while we talk or while we make conversation. See, used to is used when we are talking about past habits or actions, that is things that happened regularly in the past but is not happening now. It happened sometime in the past but not now, or it is not happening right now, and in such cases we use what used to do. And another condition is when we are talking about past state, that is past state situations or conditions that were true in the past but have changed. It is same like the other one, like it was true previously but now it is not happening or it is not true. And what is it, in the past but had changed but now it is having, or it has undergone some change. In such cases also we are using used to. Now we'll look into some examples one by one and we'll make the concept more clear. Past habits or actions, it is used to smoke, like I used to smoke every day. That is, one person is telling I used to smoke every day but now I am not doing so. I used to, like that action or that process happened earlier but now it's not happening. Okay, next one. I used to travel a lot and when I was in college. That means I traveled in college. One person has traveled in college, traveled a lot while he was in college, but he is not traveling right now. And this same thing can be told in another way. I would travel a lot when I was in college. Is another way of telling. Now the next example, I used to call him daily, but now I don't. That means I call him every day in the past, but now I stopped. We are not talking, we are not communicating each other because of some inconveniences. And the same sentence can be told in another way. I would call him daily, but now I don't call him. Like this is another way of telling by using this word would. Okay, and another example is I used to get up early when I was in Dubai. One person is telling that when I was living in Dubai I used to get up early but now I am not waking up, like because of the place change or time change, something like that. Okay, there are some other situations also we use used to do to indicate past state or condition. That is, I used to have long hair but now I have short hair. That is a state or that is a condition, a change in some particular person's state or condition. That means in the past my hair was long but now it's short. One person is having, one girl is having short hairs now and she is telling that I used to have long hairs like some years back, now I have made it short. Another example, he used to live in India but now he lives in Germany. One boy is telling that another about another person that he lived in Germany, or he used to live in Germany. He used to live in India but now he is living in Germany. He lived in India before but now he is living in Germany. And one more example is like I used to like Malayalam movies but now I prefer Hollywood movies. Like I used to see Malayalam movies but now I am not watching that, I am seeing the Hollywood movies. Now that is a short form of telling that. Okay, and that is I liked Malayalam movies before but now I am not interested in Malayalam movies, I am watching only Bollywood, or sorry, Hollywood, or any Hollywood, Mollywood or Bollywood, we can tell it like that. Now the next usage is negative form. The negative form means that we are including not in the sentences. Let's see the examples. He didn't used to call me. That means in the past he didn't call me. Now all of a sudden he called, and this person can tell to his friends or relatives or someone that now he is calling me. But in the past times he used not to call me. That is the meaning of that. Okay, that is about the negative forms. And now we can look into how we can frame questions using this particular usage used to. See the first example. Did you used to go to the gym? That means did you go to the gym in the past regularly? When I am meeting another girl who is my friend, I can ask her, did you used to go to the gym? That means are you attending the gym regularly earlier? Okay, that means a past action. Always we used to tell this particular usage with past action only. Okay, and the next one, what time did you used to go to the gym? What time you usually go to the gym in the past? Like one person is talking to another person who is coming in the gym and they were meeting in the gym, and they are, one among them is asking the other person like at what time you used to go to the gym or used to come. You can tell, you can add that also, you can change the words and use also. Okay, there are some other examples also. Why don't you come and meet me like you used to? That means you used to come and meet me regularly in the past, but you don't do anymore. Why don't you do it now? That means this action, this coming and meeting, one person was coming regularly and meeting another person, but he has stopped, and now over the call they might be talking, and randomly he was asking, you used to come and meet me, now you are not doing, what happened? Okay, then you can use this with another structure of sentences also. How? Why don't you call me? The other one was meeting, this is calling. Okay, why don't you call me? You call me like you used to. That means this person was calling another, his friend or relative. He was calling him very regularly, but now he was not calling, or he is not calling, so he is asking for the explanation. Okay, the next one, why don't you visit me like you used to? This is also meeting. Instead of meeting, if the word has changed to visit, the structure is same, you can change the words and use, that is it. Okay,